How much compensation could I get in a trip and fall settlement? Trip and fall accidents can happen anywhere, on a sidewalk, in a store, or even in an apartment complex. If you've been injured in a trip and fall accident, you may be wondering how much compensation you could receive. The amount varies depending on several key factors, including medical expenses, lost wages, and the extent of pain and suffering. Understanding how settlements work in New York can help you prepare for your claim and ensure you receive fair compensation. Property owners have a legal responsibility to maintain safe conditions. If they fail to do so, they may be held accountable under premises liability law. A slip and fall lawyer can assist in gathering evidence, determining liability, and negotiating the best possible settlement for your case. Legal factors in trip and fall cases. Premises liability law plays a crucial role in determining compensation for a trip and fall case. Property owners must maintain a safe environment for visitors. If they knew or should have known about a dangerous condition, such as uneven flooring or poor lighting, but failed to address it, they may be found negligent. To successfully claim compensation, the injured party must prove the property owner had a duty of care. The duty was breached due to negligence. The breach directly caused the injury. In some cases, the injured person may share responsibility for the accident. If they were partially at fault, such as by texting while walking, the compensation may be reduced. This concept is known as comparative negligence, and it can impact the final settlement amount. An experienced attorney can help navigate these legal complexities, ensuring that all necessary evidence is collected and presented effectively. How much compensation can you expect? There is no fixed settlement amount for a trip and fall case in New York. The value of a claim depends on several factors: medical expenses. Cases involving significant medical treatment, such as surgery or ongoing therapy, often lead to higher settlements. Lost wages. If the injury prevents a person from working, they may be compensated for lost income. Pain and suffering. Compensation is awarded for non-monetary damages such as chronic pain, emotional distress, and reduced quality of life. Severity of injury. Serious injuries, such as fractures or permanent disabilities, typically result in higher payouts. Property type. Claims against commercial properties with substantial insurance coverage may lead to larger settlements than those involving private residences. Determination of fault. If the injured person shares some fault, their settlement may be reduced based on their percentage of liability. A lawyer can assess these factors and provide a realistic estimate of potential compensation. The process of obtaining a trip and fall settlement. Filing a claim involves several steps, starting with gathering evidence. Photos of the accident scene, medical records, and witness statements are critical in proving liability. Once a claim is filed, settlement discussions may begin. Negotiations can take place informally between lawyers or formally through mediation. If no agreement is reached, the case may proceed to trial, where a jury determines the final compensation amount. Many cases settle before reaching court, as both parties often prefer to avoid prolonged litigation. However, having an experienced law firm by your side can strengthen your position and improve your chances of receiving fair compensation. If you've suffered a trip and fall injury, don't navigate the legal process alone. The attorneys at Kucher Law Group can help you build a strong case and fight for the compensation you deserve. Call 929-563-6780 or visit our office at 463 Pulaski Street, No. 1C, Brooklyn, New York, 11221 to schedule a consultation.